Hi guys, just a quick recording on how to recreate what we started in class today. It's the side of our Zaishu stool. So if I go ahead and get my laser template copy that I downloaded off of OneNote, I grab my line. I know that the top of my project is 270 millimeters wide, so if I hold down shift, it'll keep it straight. Now go over here, change this to 270. Enter. Now I know I'm going to have two of them, so I know simply copy, paste, copy the line, paste it. I've got two of them straight away. I know that the height of my project is going to be, hold shift to keep it straight, 400 millimeters high. Go over here, 400, done. Next thing, join the anchors, make sure they intersect, it should be on the corner. Same for this one. If you double check, you zoom right in, sometimes they may not join. Hold down Alt and scroll. Yep, they look all good. So highlight this one, copy, paste. So click on the line, Control C, Control V, and paste that in the intersection. Double check that they're aligned and all in. Looks good. The reason why we're working with lines is just in case we're doing things outside of rectangles. When you highlight the content inside of rectangles, it gets a bit glitchy. So we know that we're coming in from the end 20.55 millimeters, sorry. So if I draw my line, make sure it's 0 degrees. Delete that, I'll go again. So line, hold shift, sorry. Width, 20.55, enter. Now I know I want two of them, so I'm just going to copy it. Control C, Control V. Now I need to paste these in place. So I'm going to zoom in, click on it, make sure it's in the corner. Same again for this one here. Zoom in, and it should click. Cool. Now I notice that one's stuck over a little bit, so I'm just going to grab it and make sure the corners line up. Should say intersect. Cool. Zoom out. Now, next thing you notice, I will need to do this internal angle. That's so the seat slots together on a bit of an angle and leans inward, making it a bit stronger. So if I highlight this line, I know if I go up to my transform section and double click on it, it gives me a bit of information about that line. So up here, it tells me that, okay, oops, just want the one line, direct selection tool, just this one here. Okay, so it's 197, 9.874 millimeters wide. So if I go back to my laser template, if I draw a line, I know it's going to start here, going to head towards this sort of direction around the 94 degree mark. It was 197, go up to here, 197 point, I think it was 48, we'll double check, we'll go back into here, transform, yep, 48, and width of 9.874. So transform, 9.874, enter. Now, that's one line done. Zoom in to double check, see how it's just missing it. Go back to intersection point, place it there. So zoom back out. Now we know that's one of them done, so we know that angle is right, so we Control C, Control V. Whoops. Click on the line, Control C, Control V. Now, the thickness of our material will determine the width of this gap in here. So if we're going to work with a 9mm piece of ply, we're going to click on this intersection, and if I go across till it's exactly 9, a quick way to do that is go up to here, 9, enter, make sure my intersect is locking, and then I can readjust this line till it meets. Cool. Now if I already know those lines are exactly 9mm apart, I can just highlight them both, Control C, Control V, transform up here, flip horizontal. Now I can place them on my 22.5mm line back over here. So then I can end cap them off. I can go a straight line or an arc. So holding this down, you'll see it'll draw it across. Cool. Thank you.